Hey guys, so I started the video out a little different than I've done the ones in the past. So I started out with a workout. On the workout, you're gonna wanna do 4 to 5 rounds, 10 reps a piece, and enjoy. Alright, so I'm going to make a level 1 mud cake. All you need for that is baking powder, your level 1, and a teaspoon, okay? Oh, egg whites. Well, okay, then that's all you need. You want more cream because it's going to taste better. Okay. So you get a full scoop of this roti. Actually, I'm not getting a full scoop because I think I'm going to go about my calories just a little bit. So, a teaspoon of your baking powder. I don't know if I said soda a while ago, but it's powder. And then you're just going to make a cake-like batter consistency. So I'm just going to pour some of these egg whites in there, just a little bit, and I'm going to use water for the rest just because I'm going to go over on my protein, but we need the egg in there for the cake. So, and then so you just eyeball it. It's not like there's no exact amount. Let's see. And that's pretty watery. So the more watery it is, the little tiny bit longer you're going to want to cook it. You really need to cook it. If you're got it thicker, make it a little more watery. But yeah, you don't want it really thick. You want it kind of watery because it's going to get dry or be dry if it's not watery. So 25 to 30 seconds is good in the microwave. I like mine a little bit wet, moist. You can see it's coming up in the cup. Don't be alarmed if it comes way up. It won't overflow because it's already cooked. So then what you do is put some whipped cream on it. Now you don't have to do this. Some people put chocolate chips on it. Cream. I don't really have a lot of macros left. Just dive in and see what it looks like. It is delicious and it looks like cake. Hey guys, so it's been a little while since I shared anything. Today I try to share something every video that's, going to help you like with your health, with you reaching your fitness goals, whatever. Today I thought, other than just like the workout that I shared and then the protein cake, all that stuff helps you. It's going to help you reach your fitness goals. So tip I thought I'd share today is just kind of something a little bit more personal and more about your emotional health, because That's very important too. And if your emotional health isn't right, then who cares what your physical health is like? You're gonna be a wreck. So anyways, if you've followed me for any amount of time, then you know that I post daily. Hair check. You know that I post daily some sort of like motivational something in the morning, usually with my Bible if it's Monday through Friday. And then on Saturday and Sunday, I do it with my coffee because coffee is part of my emotional health too. But I still read the Bible. So every morning, I've been making it a habit since I was probably like in middle school. I get up and pray and make sure that I pray before I start my day. And that is because like I have found that I cannot make it through the day without God. Used to when I'd go to the gym at 5 a.m. I would get up a little bit earlier and make sure that I made time to at least pray before I went to the gym. Then I'd read the Bible when I got back. But I'd get up at 4 instead of like 4:30 or something, so that I had time to pray before I went to the gym, because anytime I'm gonna start my day, I want to dedicate the first of it to God, because I have just found so many times that like there have been a few times, you know, if I didn't pray that it just didn't work. But like I've just found so many times that if I am an emotional wreck, He's the only one that can fix me, and I need Him. So praying in the morning and reading the Bible is my anxiety medicine. It's my medication for depression. It's what helps me keep going. I cannot make it without Him. So if you're struggling with, you know, anxiety, depression, like we're all human, and like I have a great life, but that doesn't keep me from feeling a little bit psycho and overwhelmed sometimes, because life is just overwhelming. Not only that, I do kind of think I have the personality that maybe tends to take things a little bit harder. And if I did not have God, then there is a very high likelihood that I would either be incredibly hard to deal with, or I would have to be on some sort of medication. Like I have high highs, and no, I don't even feel like I have high highs anymore. But low lows. So anyways, but that is controlled with daily prayer and Bible reading. And it doesn't even have to be that long. Like, you know, get up do a 15-minute prayer, and then, you know, 10 minutes in the Bible, or 5 minutes in the Bible, a chapter, whatever. That is going to make a huge difference in how your day goes and how your day flows, in the time that you have in a day. Like some people are like, well, I don't have time to pray. Girl, boy, whatever you are, you do have time, because I promise you, if you make that time for Him first, then He'll make your day flow more smoothly. You won't be wasting time doing this or that, because you've put Him first, and He honors that. On top of that, if you're like me, you cannot afford to go without it. Like I started working earlier, like having to get up early to go to work. I make sure that I pray and read the Bible before I go to work, because there's going to be people that I'm going to be dealing with all day long. And if I don't start my day off with Him, because like some people are like, oh, I'll do it later. Are you going to do it later? When I get off of work, I'm just ready to, well, I have other things that I want to do first of all. And then whenever I get all those things done, then I'm just ready to chill. You have more time in your day, and you won't be as tired, because you might think, well, I can't get up that earlier and pray because then I'm going to be tired. Well, I guarantee you, if you get up earlier and pray, your day is going to go more smoothly, and part of that will be feeling less tired, because He takes care of us when we take care of Him first. Hi, Boba. Hi, Kiki. You want to say hi? Hi. Oh, and then there's Jackson. Hi. Anyways, so that's just my little tip. Make sure that you pray and read the Bible first before you start your day, and I promise everything else will go more smoothly, and you'll find that you can't do without it, and you'll find that it makes a big difference, and you will find that it is so worth the little sacrifice of getting up a few minutes earlier. You know, everything in life that we get that's good comes from discipline. This is a disciplinary action. So anyways, I hope that helps somebody. Like I said, just read one chapter, just pray for a minute, tell Him how thankful you are. I need Him in my life. The only way to have a relationship with somebody is to actually spend time with them. If I don't spend time with God, I'm not going to have a relationship with Him. So I've found that He just makes everything better, makes the anxiety go away, makes the depression go away. If like I'm worried. He helps me see the bigger picture, and if I can't see the bigger picture, he calms me when I need to be calmed. And I think through it, I've just learned to just trust him. So anyways, hope that helps.